following video demonstration will be guided by the one and only Scott Taylor, the brains behind the Scale Model Supply range of paints and other modeling accessories, and the man behind the Ghost of Xeon. This video demonstration will be guiding the use of the latest Pearl paints range as of the 20th October of 2018, has been released at a price range of $40 for a 4-pack. This will also include a special preview of the upcoming products slated for release in the following year. These demos were first recorded on the 20th October of 2018.
Yeah, I've done the first sort of thin layer. I can go a bit thicker, a bit heavier. Just to build up, running out of paint.
That's cool.
Pass that around.
What?
And I'll do
What's
some
the set
more.
worth?
$40 for the set.
I'm actually kind of annoyed at how good this looks.
So you can see the huge difference between the different bases.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So I'll add a bit more when it comes back. So that's like one of the big coats.
I didn't realise how translucent that stuff was. It doesn't show up on, like, if you're advertising for it, it doesn't point that out.
I like the black.
It's pearl. It's pearls in general are like that.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Same with white pearl. So you don't put white pearl over anything else but white.
I made that mistake once.
Because it
I started
affects
spraying it and I'm like, why isn't this white?
So with a white pearl, you always use the white base because the white shows through. You just want that luster. That's what the pearl gives, is that luster.
Yeah. So it's basically translucent metallic.
Pretty much, yeah. You think of it like that, yeah. So I can put a bit more on and get a much more deeper colour.
A lot of time we just tell Jody on Ozaki using it.
So that's a
Can you layer them on top of each other?
we see. Yeah, different effects.
Yeah. So could you do highlights with the lighter pink?
Yeah, you can do all that sort of stuff, but you just got to be careful because of the base coat. So you're better off to shade your base coat. Mm-hmm. So do your panel line shading and things like that, and do it in that sort of sense. Mm-hmm. Because you can see the big massive difference.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's because they're translucent. You got more play with it. So if you, as I said, if you use a magenta base underneath the magenta you'll still keep that colour. Whereas on the white, you get a very, very pale sort of pinky magenta, and you get a purpley magenta on the black. But if you put it over the top of a similar colour, you'll keep that colour, but give it a pearl lustre. Clean the airbrush out. A little bit of lacquer thinners. With our bubble back.
Okay, I feel like a right idiot. I've just been using paper toweling to clean my shit up.
Yeah.
I feel like a fucking idiot.
I've been using toilet paper as well. Every so often I do get a little bit of crap stuck with the nozzle.
Okay, I think there's a problem with your process.
No, not like little crap. Yeah, recycling.
So when I clean it, instead of any other colours, I just use a dropper just to get a bit extra, so you don't waste so much. Mm-hmm. So I've just got a little bit in there.
Yep. I've just got a
So then I usually
squeeze bottle.
same. So get the rag over the end. Depends on your brush too. Just a lot, double the back, so very, very lightly. That just loosens all the crap and then brings it back up.
A backwash, don't worry about that.
And then if you've got any excess up the side of your cup, you just get the thinners on the brush and just brush it down.
Yep.
And then that goes back into that. Tip the excess out. And then when that's done, you put it in a big containers for you take it to the tip or whatever. And then any excess in that, just get a rag. You're better off with a rag than a paper towel. Paper towel just falls apart. Give it a wipe down and just with the rag over the end, not capping it, but just over the end, just blow the end. And just blows the excess things into the rag. So that's how they work. I'll show you before they do the flip colours. These are ones I've got coming soon. You might have seen them if you're in the new SMS group. Tristan.
I saw the flip green.
Yeah, the flip green I sent to Tristan. Yeah.
So it's just like a very light chameleon, right?
So what a chameleon is, a chameleon usually has like 3 to 4 different colours, and the flakes in a chameleon are shaped in certain ways. When you look at them in certain angles, it'll reflect the different light. Whereas a flip is 2 colours, and it depends on both the base and the angle of the light.
Yep.
So this is just a lead off a high mobility Zaku, high grade. So this one's a purple flip, so it's a purple blue. So I've got that green flip. I've also got this one, which is a blue-green. So it's a greeny sort of blue-green. So there's the 3 different flips I'm thinking about releasing soon in the next couple of months.
Come on.
As a set.
Yeah. These will be sets. The pearls will be sets for a while,
From the sediment at the bottom.
just to see how they go.
Give you an idea of what it looks like. This one's sediment's pretty bloody set.
Yeah, because these ones, they're actually mixed in the bottle rather than mixed in the can.
Oh.
Those are bigger runs, I'll mix in a can and
Yeah.
get it all mixed up. But these were only samples, so I mixed them in the
So,
bottle.
do you mind me asking, what's
Yeah.
the size of a small run for you in litres?
Lead up, 1 litre.
1 litre. Holy crap. That's a lot of patience there, mate.
Yeah.
There you go.
So yeah, same again. If you can see in the, so you can see the different colours that are in the.
Yeah. Yep.
So the same again. This is on a black base.
More
So depending again what your base is, it's going to change depending what the colour base is. So I'll do this one on the black.
That's nice.
Yeah, then probably big up here. I can't find any of this crap.
Yeah, get it back.
Gotta harass your stores in.
No, well, this is what
Post it.
I will.
Post it back.
Oh, wow. That's really subtle.
That's good.
Oh yeah,
That was the one you had on the spoon, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah. That's the Elmeth colour.
yeah, yeah. That's on the black base, but if you can see, it changes. It's got a green sort of blue, purpley effect.
That's really curious, because the colour in the pot and the colour there is just entirely different.
Different. That's because of the base.
Yeah. That's a. We can check that.
Blue green flip.
Have a look around over dark green base as well.
Yeah.
Look good.
Almost need to do one of those displays like the cars do.
Yeah.
You know, where they get the plastic car shape.
Yeah, the speed shapes, yeah.
But I just need to go buy like a bunch of those Hot Wheels with the toilets on the back.
Yeah, that you can see that's the effect
That's
it
hot,
gets on the
I'm curious now, like, you know,
Is that going to be $40 a set as well?
could you
Most
get a
likely, yeah.
really good looking
set of
display
four.
with a bunch of different paints?
So whether they're going to be flips, I'm not sure yet. We're just straight flips or just a mixture of pearls and
I'm a
flips.
sucker for like
Repainting them.
You can see that's the actual colour of the second flip.
Yeah.
Hulls.
I bewildered the crap out of my wife because I started buying Hot Wheels.
It's like that mother of pearl, like that when you
Because
pick up the
looking at
shell
Hot Wheels, like,
sometimes.
oh, that's really cool. Big
Oil it
mistake.
as a toaster. Yeah.
I've got the,
And this is just another of the pearls I'll be releasing soon.
Yep.
That's Jane.
So, out of curiosity, your pearl, you've got pink, you've got light pink, dark pink, and lavender.
Yes.
It's just, magenta. So,
apple green is kind of.
Magical girls.
yeah.
I'm always a big fan.
So these will be good. Car guys love pearls because
I know, yeah.
but for like you guys, you just do like for this for example, you get a similar sort of green base and do like the underwear and then go back on top of this.
I'll do the
And that
fucking
give-
highlight.
And that'll give you like a silk look to their underwear.
Yeah.
We're supposed to kind of buy this